Hello and welcome. In this video, we will review how to allow your camera within your web browser. So first, I will begin by clicking on the Just Play tab. The pop-up will appear, and this is prompting me to allow my camera. Now, there are a few scenarios where you will see this pop-up. The first is that first time that you're logging into Restore from a new device. So perhaps you are new to Restore, you've just been given your login credentials and you've never logged in before, so you're being asked to allow your camera. The second scenario is if you're using a different web browser. Maybe you usually use something like Google Chrome, but today you are using Microsoft Edge. So the first time we're using a new web browser, we will be prompted to allow our camera. The final scenario in which you may be prompted to allow your camera is when you are logging into Restore after you've cleared or cleaned your browser's history or done some sort of computer or browser update. So anytime that you are updating Google Chrome or you're updating your laptop, clearing your browser's history, those are scenarios in which you may be asked to please allow your camera. Now, to allow my camera, I'm going to click on the upper right-hand corner within my URL bar. That's where I would type in my web address. And I see here there's a camera icon. It looks like a camcorder. And once I click there, I can see that my camera has been blocked. And because I do want that access, I'm going to click on the bubble that says to always allow my camera for app.restoreskills.com. I will click Done in order to save those browser settings, and then we will click the Retry button right here in the middle of the screen. And once we do that, there we go. It's loading and it's letting me know that pop-up has disappeared. My camera has connected.